Today, I'm going to discuss how agentic automation and workflows can be a valuable asset to support your organizations. By implementing these automations, you can optimize repetitive tasks or enable new functionality to support your business. I'm going to use some of the automations we use at Proventus Group in the N8N platform, which is one of the many tools we use. This specific automation has been designed to check the Proventus Linux Automatic Agent AI server health. The event horizon server must run permanently, since any downtime would have a meaningful impact on Proventus Group operation. This automation checks the different frameworks used in the server, Virtus Chatbot, N8N framework, and Proventus open source ERP. This health is checked every day at 6 a.m. and the results are sent through a Slack message. As I will show you, the messages can be seen on Slack. For demonstration purposes, I am triggering this event manually to demonstrate the functionality in action. Here you can see the Slack workflows that can be integrated via Slack APIs. Also the messages that have been coming through the different days at 6 a.m. as per the functionality specified. Now I will use the executing workflow trigger in the form to see real-time the actual functionality. As you can see, the 3 expected messages specific for each one of the functions have been sent. Since everything ISO working as expected, the messages reflect that status. These kind of integrations are not limited to Slack. They can be integrated on any message platform your organization requires. Do you need WhatsApp, Messenger, SMSs, other? Anything is possible, and Proventus Group can support you in this journey. For the next demonstration, I'm going to show you a simpler workflow, but that is extremely powerful specifically for your organization's social media and ads creation. This workflow was created to provide automated posts in LinkedIn. The one currently shown creates an automated post in Proventus CTO Jamie personal LinkedIn account, which provides a fun fact related to any interesting topics. IT uses OpenAI API. The next one provides a post related to Proventus Group areas of expertise. This prompt has more strict requirement and uses Proventus information, creating more professional posts relevant to the organization. Besides integrating OpenAI to query ChatGPT, the workflows need to be integrated with the LinkedIn accounts relevant specifically to each one of the defined functions. In this case, one of them is using Jamie's LinkedIn account, and the other one is using Proventus Group business account, using LinkedIn developer APIs and products. You can check the results on the aforementioned LinkedIn accounts, as I will show you next. First, let's take a look at Jamie's LinkedIn account. As you can see here, besides the post he normally creates, there are several posts with all of these fun and interesting facts. All of these posts were created by the workflow with the ChatGPT prompt, and the resulting information was posted using LinkedIn API. This functionality allows for the users not to worry about having to post manually, but leverage this task to a workflow. On the other hand, we can see Proventus Group LinkedIn account, where the posts are also automatically generated. However, the tone and quality of the post is completely different, since the prompt was strictly created to focus on Proventus areas of expertise and provided services. These type of automations enable your organization to grow your social media presence, since it is not limited to LinkedIn, but can also be used in other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, etc. Do you have any specific requirements and needs? Just get in touch with us, and we can discuss the best way to support you with automated social media. For the last example, I'm going to discuss Proventus Group lead generation form. This workflow was created with the intent of creating a Proventus Group branded form to capture leads and potential customers. Using these forms as links in your ads would increase your leads, since it allows the potential customers to request for information as soon as they see your ad. The lead will automatically be directed to a dedicated email for requests for information. In this case, reach out at proventus.au, as well as creating a lead on Proventus ERP. This integration with ERPs is extremely powerful, not only to create new items, but also to pull data from the ERPs and other systems. This workflow also supports for the potential customer to authenticate via LinkedIn to pull their details from there. The workflow also considers the scenario where the potential customer can enter all their details manually. Let's try it now. As you can see, the form has been displayed and is branded with Proventus brand and relevant links like privacy policy. Here we put all the requested details. As you can see, it can be configured to validate that the email address has the expected format. Once that all the requested fields have been provided, we can click to continue, so the workflow will execute as per its design. The expected outcome is to have a reach-out email as well as a new lead into the ERP system. Let's now verify that this is the case. First, let me open the email account, reachout@proventus.au. As we can see here, the email has been received with the details that we entered previously in the form. This is a powerful automation tool since it interacts with Office 365 and can also use Teams and/or SharePoint. Now let's ensure that the lead has been created in the ERP system. Let's open the page and check in the lead menu. We can actually see that the lead has been generated here, and it has also the details that were entered in the form. The functionality of using data into and from an ERP is a valuable tool in any organization. It's also not limited to ERPs, but other systems and tools, like Visual QMS, which is also part of Proventus Group technological stack. You can get in touch with us for a consultation for a similar use case, or even from a different one. We will also make a comprehensive analysis to ensure you are not automating for the sake of it, and provide our recommendation going forward. With this brief demonstration, we want you to consider the multiple possibilities of using agentic AI, automation, and workflows. Proventus Group can support you as part of the overall sphere of saving costs and optimizing organizations. Make sure to visit our website and feel free to request a no-obligations consultation, not only related to agentic AI, but also any of the other services provided by Proventus Group. Thank you for your time.